If you've watched YouTube Shorts at least once, you have surely seen these kind of videos, which are basically a clip from a podcast or a long video and captions that pop up, sometimes highlight. Some of the creators of these shorts spend literal hours watching podcasts, finding key moments, and finally editing the short itself. And even though some of them make hundreds or even thousands of dollars doing that, since short form content is being heavily pushed by the algorithm, they could make the process even easier. What if I told you that there was a way to just share a link to a podcast and you could get hundreds of already edited YouTube shorts with a single click? Let me introduce you to video.ai, which allows you to do exactly that. Before I go over how you can easily make money with this method straight away, let me show you how this tool works. Let's use this Joe Rogan interview with Mr. Beast. It is 15 minutes in duration. Copy the link, paste it in, and let the magic happen. This app is especially good for shorts due to the captions it adds onto the podcast clips. When the human brain sees words, he's going to read them, kind of just like you are reading this, which in return gives the creator with the captions better audience awareness and retention. Now I have various versions to choose from. I was able to pick 4 out of 10 that are most appealing and have the biggest potential to go viral, which basically proves that this tool is very good at finding the best moments. Great, I have 4 shorts, let me upload them. Stop right there. Here's the best part. You can make money with this tool right away. What I will want you to do is some research for YouTube channels, Instagram or TikTok accounts that make this kind of content and write a short DM about how you can send them over a couple of videos like these every single day for your desired price, but don't request unwise amounts. I can guarantee that if you write to like 100, at least one of them will be interested, and as you've seen, making upload videos like these takes literally no time. I think I do not need to mention that you shall stay silent about the tool you're using because you'd be literally cutting off a gold mine. This is actually not the only method of making money with this. For example, if you were really dedicated and would post, let's say, 3 shorts per day for a couple months, you could actually be lucky and reach the monetization goals of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views.